So, in the aftermath of the Google Pixel 8 launch, the echoes are still resonating across the tech landscape. But major smartphone manufacturers are already plotting their next flagship endeavors. For Google, the highly anticipated successor is none other than the Pixel 9, poised to introduce a wave of innovative features and enhancements that promise to gradually overshadow its predecessor. A close examination of Google's established release patterns offers valuable insights into the number of pixels expected each fall. The company has consistently followed a trend of unveiling two models, typically distinguished by varying screen sizes. The larger variant, often referred to as the Pixel Pro, boasts distinctive features, including an expanded display, a larger battery, and the inclusion of a telephoto lens. Adding a layer of intrigue to the ongoing discourse is a recent leak, unveiling a purported roadmap for the upcoming Pixel series, with a specific focus on the Pixel 9. According to this leak, Google may deviate from its usual pattern by introducing not just one, but two Pro versions. This strategic move aims to cater to users who prefer a more compact screen size while retaining the coveted telephoto lens. While the Google Pixel 9 rumor mill is still in its early stages, preliminary speculations are already emerging regarding the flagship's potential release date. A consistent historical pattern in Google's release timeline points to October as the customary unveiling month for nearly every model, excluding the 2020 Pixel 5. Based on this trend, a reasonable estimate places the potential launch of the Pixel 9 in October 2024. However, details surrounding the pricing of the forthcoming flagship remain shrouded in uncertainty. The current pricing for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro stands at $699 and $999 respectively, reflecting a $100 increment from their predecessors. Notably, this upward shift in pricing is not exclusive to Google, as other major smartphone manufacturers like Apple and Samsung have implemented similar hikes in recent times. The collective hope among consumers is that Google either maintains the current price points or addresses the observed price increase with the Pixel 8 when unveiling the Pixel 9. As enthusiasts eagerly await concrete details, the anticipation for Google's next flagship continues to mount, with expectations riding high on the prospect of groundbreaking features and an enhanced user experience. The industry is keenly watching, anticipating how Google will shape the future of its flagship line and what new innovations the Pixel 9 will bring to the ever-evolving smartphone landscape. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.